Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you on Rajhi how to fix login error. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Some of the common login errors are login failed, user blocked or account locked, incorrect username or password, and unable to verify or OTP not received. In order to fix the Rajhi login error, first step that you can do is check internet. Simply drop down your toolbar from the top right and use a strong Wi-Fi connection. If that doesn't work, simply tap on the cellular data and then try again. And if it doesn't work, simply tap on the airplane mode on the top and wait for 10 seconds and then simply turn it off and try again. That doesn't work, the next step is to restart your phone. Simply hold your volume up button and then power button together, and that will lead you to the restart slider. Simply turn off the iPhone and then turn it again, and then simply try it again. And if that doesn't work, the next thing that you can do is reset your password. To do it, simply head over and open up the Rajhi Bank application, and then once there, simply tap on the login if you don't find the forget password option. And once you have located it, simply tap on forget password, then enter in your ID or ICMA number and then your ATM card number, and then simply tap on next. Then once that's done, enter the OTP sent to your mobile. Then once that's done, create new password and then tap on submit, and once done, all you gotta do is log in and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply in order to fix login error, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.